Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the habit tracker template in Google Sheets, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident using it and ready to start tracking your habits. Before we jump in, let's do a quick setup. First, choose your start date and end date. Just double-click the cell and select your dates. This template works within a 31-day range, so you can easily create a 21-day challenge, a 30-day habit plan, or any schedule you like. You'll also see a number here, which shows how many days are left in your habit journey. Next, write down your goals. For example, I'll write 3 goals. I want to have a healthy body, I want to become a kind and positive person, and I want to have peace of mind. Now, start listing the habits that will help you become the person you want to be. For me, exercise is a must. And of course, eating healthy food is just as important. Your job is simple. Just tick the checkbox each day as you complete your habits, and watch the charts update automatically. The chart above shows how many habits you complete. In this beach theme, it represents the water level rising in the ocean. The chart on the right is your progress chart, so you can easily see how many days you've completed your habits. The surfer will always appear on today's date, so you can quickly see where you are in your habit journey. At the end of the journey, you'll also see the top 5 habits you were most consistent with. Now, let's move to the weekly habits section. Below, you'll find simple weekly to-do lists. Just write down the tasks you want to complete each week and tick them off as you finish them. The bar chart below will automatically calculate your completion percentage, so you can easily track your weekly progress. Finally, the notes section is where you can write down your thoughts, like a small journal for your habit journey. Stay consistent, enjoy the journey, and watch your habits transform your life.